All right, so what we're looking at here on Swiss franc JPY, please.
So what are you waiting for him? What bias are we?
I want him to tell me.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, can you hear me, Rox?
Yeah, I can, bro.
Yeah, I'm sell bias on this for a minute, I think.
Okay, fine. What's your key level, please?
Key level. One sec. So the high 108.821.
108.121.
821. Yeah, up there. Yeah, that's it.
Fine, so let's just work with that. Now, if this is your sell by structure, what time frame did you scale down to?
Oh, I'm not looking for sells yet.
Oh, you're waiting for sales. Okay, so
yeah, it's just a bias at the moment, just confirmation of the bias.
okay, fine. So
you still think it's still bullish, too bullish?
No. Let's identify what's happening. If this is sell bias, what is price doing at the moment in terms of trying to sell? Is it happening or is it not happening?
It was happening, but now it's coming back bullish again.
Forget that. Just look at this area here. Look at the behavior.
Yeah, it's happening. Bearish pressure is coming into the market.
Right, we see the bearish pressure, but do we have the lower low of this market being broken yet?
No, not yet.
Okay, that means what? That there is not enough sell pressure.
Right, okay.
Now, ask yourself, based on that information, if price comes back to this level, how confident are you going to be to take sells from this level when you've seen in past history that it hasn't been able to do it?
Yeah, I'm not going to be very confident.
Shouldn't be very confident, correct. Now, what happens if price does come back here and rejects this level? Does that mean you should have sold?
No.
What we should wait for is a clean
yes.
break below the structure, a lower high, and then sell the market.
Yeah.
We haven't yet had that break close below structure just yet. We almost did, but by the looks of it, we're breaking back in. Okay, so if we look at the structure like that, it means the market is confused at the moment. It doesn't know what it's doing. It's just draw a little box to identify where price is failing to break above and below. And we can view this market now as a what?
Sideways market.
Correct. So now we're waiting for a clean break, retest, continuation, or a clean break, retest, continuation. And that's how we dissect that market.
Okay. Thanks, man.
You're welcome. Okay. So the way I see this structure is clearly up, lots of wicks and rejections. We have a push phase in the market, strong bullish pressure. Look at the volume in this candle, and then look at the depletion of the structure. Huge sell pressure comes in and just stops the bull pressure immediately. This is how I see this market. Out, but I want him to identify something on this chart. And if you watched that and studied it very hard, we'd identify something. This market structure was up. We do have sell pressure in this market. We had an area in the market where price failed to push up for about 16 hours. What finally happened with the structure? We had a what?
Break above structure.
And a what? Yeah, it's a break above and a close above structure, right?
Yeah.
What does that mean? We need to restart our analysis again. If we expected this to be our lower high and this lower high did not hold, we now need to restart our analysis from this point. Now, if we think logically about this, if we're restarting our analysis from this point, does it make sense to look for sells this close to a major rejection area in the market? Probably not. The best thing to do then is just account for all of this information here and now just work with this new structure. Meaning we're just now expecting price to come back, to give us a safe stop loss, and then look for the momentum shifts for then our lower highs.